Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we will be doing a dumbbell workout. So I finally got me some dumbbells. So we'll do a dumbbell workout and finish off with the Stairmaster or the bicycle, whichever one I'm thinking about. I feel is best. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you for returning and tuning in to yet another video and staying patient with me. And we're gonna get into this workout. And we're gonna take our oxy strip first and then get into the dumbbell workout. Let's go.
Hey there, pretty girl, you know exactly what you got, and I don't blame you at all. You can't resist it, especially when the light's so bright and the money's so right, and it's coming in every single night. She don't wanna wait. She just stuck in Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, she just stuck in Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. And she dance to the song. And she dance to the song. And it go, hey, no, no, let you go down. She doesn't never worry. If she wants it, she'll get it on her own. She knows there's more to life, and she's scared of ending up alone. Throw your ones up in the air. Throw your ones up in the air for her. Throw your ones up in the air. Cause the ones you throw will get her out of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, she just stuck in Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. And she dance to the song. And she dance to the song. And it go, hey, now, now, let you go down. We all got dreams and we all start reaching, all start peaking, all star weekend. One hotel room that all y'all sleep in. Housekeeping, I can see if all y'all decent. Young girls envy the life y'all leading. Never satisfied with a nice calm evening. You be at the games looking bright all season, but you always with me on the night y'all leaving. Low, low, I always request you. You go get up and we just show up at your rescue. Carry you inside, get you some water and undress you. I give you my all and the next morning you'll forget who, or why, or how, or when. Tonight is probably about to happen all over again. Cause she live in the mindset that I can never move to. Until you find yourself, it's impossible to lose you. Because I never had you. Although I would be glad to. I'd probably go and tattoo your name on my heart. I swear I start to think that I'm going crazy. Your ones up in the air. Your ones up in the air for her. Your ones up in the air. Cause the ones you throw will get her out of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, she just stuck in Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. And she dance to the song. And she dance to the song. And it go, hey, no, no, let you go down. Oh.
just so I can tell you I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off, just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
I'm in the club, holiday, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the club, holiday, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm in the
I said I want tracking on home. I said I want acting on home. I said couch and chain. Get nigga block that 100 round shit to the nigga on home. Now you don't want standing on them. I'ma just say yes, so many hoes. I'ma be talking them hoes. My wood food on, he want pass on me.
Come through with choppers, they better get low. No, I can never get shit, I be thinking about